Yo, what up vlog? Today is New Year's Eve. I'm going out to breakfast with the family. Just dropped off the hard drive at Brian's house. Now I'm headed to SQIRL.
Your headphone's short and your charger don't work and you spill shit on your shirt. I hope your tears don't hurt and I can smile in your face. But my loss is how Delilah changed my locks to a fake.
Just parked the car. It was a long drive. So yeah, I'm about to meet the family walking down. I parked far away.
What do you get? Extra bowl?
So how was the meal, Mom?
Oh my gosh, that is so good.
How was your meal?
Good.
Yeah. Yeah. The bro's picking up his suit. I'm waiting in the car listening to some Kendrick Lamar. Yo, what up? It's Jeremy back in the vlog game. Sorry, I didn't want to get a copy check. Yo, what up? Yo, whoa. Yo, what up? It's Jeremy. I'm back in the vlog game. Currently, I'm driving to Lucian's house. Tonight, we're going out to dinner. New Year's Eve. Let's get it. Turn up. Thank you. See you soon. So I met up with Lucian. We just got to our spot to have dinner, but they have a bouncer, so we're worried that we're gonna not be old enough. Alright, we will let you know how it goes. So good news, we got the seats. It wasn't a bouncer, just a guy in a black suit. Lucian and I are vibing out. It's cool in here. Got the old school pinball machines. You know what it is.
Nice.
Lucian, stupid ass, ate before he came to this cool restaurant.
I had a steak, some rice, and then corn on the cob.
So the first appetizer just came. We're gonna eat it good. Lucian, how's the tofu bowl?
They're actually super good. They're dank. I want them. That's true too.
These are watermelon rinds. The main courses just came through. They is looking bomb. So the check just came in a book. So Lucian, how would you rate the meal?
10 out of 10. I'm coming back for sure.
Me too, bro. Gabby's coming next time. Hey!
I'll track you guys and then
Come with
that.
Alright, see you later.
Dude, you gotta check out Money Swag Parade. I swear to God, homie. Dude, they got vlogs, they got challenges, they got everything. You know what I'm saying? Dude, holy fuck. I don't know why they haven't blown up yet. They're so godly. Like, shit. Oh my God. I'm in love. Their music, their soundtrack, their editor, everything's amazing. Dude, subscribe to Money Swag Parade. They show the illest videos in the world. Ooh.
Just left the party. Not a big party, guys. So going home, gonna edit this vlog, bro, and go to bed or maybe watch some cool 4K ball drop footage. I was getting ready for bed, but now I'm gonna look for my fireworks stash, light some stuff off. Mwahaha, I just found my box of illegal stuff. Bam. Still go for it. Alright, just got the lighter. I'm gonna go light these off. Guys, I'm literally in my boxers out here. Yeah, baby. My course. go. Turn up with the 4K TV. This is like the only night I can get away with lighting fireworks. On the lawn, watch them. Oh! Yeah? Alright guys, that was a stupid game. I see how long I could hold it, but the boy's about to pop in my face. I'm gonna do one more. Alright guys, this challenge, I'm gonna see if I can get it to pop midair.